Hello everyone, my name is Ali Ghanbari and I'm a PhD student at the University of Texas at Dallas. I'm presenting PRF, a framework for building automatic program repair prototypes for JVM-based languages. Automatic program repair, or APR for short, is referred to as a set of debugging automation techniques that, given a buggy program, either directly fix the bugs or help the developers during manual debugging. Generate and validate refers to a class of APR techniques that attempt to fix the bugs by generating a pool of program variants and checking the resulting variants against certain checks or tests to identify those that pass all the checks. Such program variants are marked as plausible fixes and are to be reported to the users for further examination. By carefully examining the architecture of the existing Generate and Validate APR tools, we realize that the operations carried out by these systems can be abstracted in more or less the same way that we show in this diagram. And different APR techniques differ in the way they generate patches, and the rest of the steps are re-implemented when constructing a new APR prototype. The goal of PRF is to factor out the common steps and implement them once forever. The APR tool programmer can construct a prototype by just making a patch generation plugin, optionally fixed report generation plugin, and configuring other components. In this way, the APR tool programmer can focus on constructing more sophisticated patch generation, prioritization, or classification algorithms. Furthermore, a robust framework results in robust APR prototypes, which in turn help reproducibility of experiments. Last but not least, having such a framework will make certain empirical studies simpler, as we can easily compare or even combine different patch generation algorithms in the same context. In summary, PRF provides the developers with spectrum-based fault localization information at different levels of granularity. It also provides a fast, safe, and accurate patch validation facility. The framework also offers various profiling and analysis tools that might come in handy in certain applications. The system is publicly available in the following GitHub repository. PRF comes in the form of a Maven plugin, so it is applicable to all Maven-based projects.